Okay, that little hummingbird has been fighting with the bees. It's pretty funny to watch, actually. I don't know if you just saw that little bee. So they just got changed out yesterday, so it's fresh. But she's not able to get a drink because of the bees. But here's another feeder right here, and there's the other feeder behind it. So she has two others to choose from instead of choosing to fight with the bees. But I've never really seen bees get after the hummingbird feeder before. Oh, look at that lovely bird up there. It looks pretty big. I can't tell what kind it is, though. Maybe a robin? I don't know. I can't zoom in good enough. It's not a hawk, I know that. But anyway, the hummer's still fighting with the bees, trying to get a drink. I wish he would go to one of the other feeders. Bless her little heart. Come on now. She has to see these other feeders. I think it's a robin. Oh, there's a blue jay behind it on the other wire. I don't know if you can see it. I know that one's a blue jay. This one is not a blue jay. I might be able to tell if it made a sound too. I think it could be my mom's favorite bird. There went the blue jay. Anyway, that was fun watching the hummingbird try to fight off the bees. Oh, there she is. She's back. Oh, she's getting a drink this time. Nice. I think the bird's gonna take off. It looked like it was gonna take off just a second ago. There it goes. Where'd it go, though? On the other side of the fence. Don't hummingbirds make the series most interesting sound? You know, like a clicking, certainly not a regular chirping type sound, that's for sure. See up there? And the trees are turning. You can see my neighbors a little bit. And over there too. Alright, that was the little fight between the hummingbird and the bees.